Learning and creativity go hand in hand, driving innovation and expanding boundaries of education at Chandigarh University. The Fashion Design Department at CU hosted a Button Masala workshop with renowned international designer Mr. Anuj Sharma, celebrated for his expertise in craft development and sustainability.
I've come to Chandigarh University in Fashion Department to teach Button Masala. Exposure is very, very important. Chandigarh University, where it allows their students to get exposed to international market and people and the industries. I think it's very, very important for students to have that experience and have that learning curve where they get to see what's happening not just in the college or around the college or in Chandigarh or in Punjab or in India, but across the world what's happening, and we all need to be updated. So I think students are very lucky that they get to see and get an exposure like that.
This innovative technique replaces traditional sewing with a simple joinery system using buttons and rubber bands.
We never thought कि buttons and rubber bands से ऐसे एक outfit create हो सकता है without stitching, without needles, without anything, without even using scissors. And we made an outfit out of it. He's such a big designer, and वो हमारे university में आया and he gave us knowledge. And it was a pleasure meeting him and learning his work. And we really enjoyed this opportunity we got.
Aspiring designers gained invaluable insights and practical skills to make a mark in the fashion world. At CU, we prepare our students to redefine the future of design.